Let's break down how to read all the window stickers on this Mercedes-Benz model. So starting off with the biggest sticker. So on the left side, we have all of your standard features. This is going to include what kind of engine that this car has, the comfort that comes standard, the safety features that come standard. Moving over to the option list, it's always going to be in this right side of the window sticker. This is where you can see the paint color, you can see the interior options, and also the body style options as well. It's all going to be under here. Moving over onto the far right of this window sticker, this is where you're going to see your fuel economy at the top. This is your combined fuel economy. Below that, you can see your annual fuel costs, and then your projected 5-year annual fuel cost. You also are going to have your rated fuel economy and gas house rating, as well as your smog rating as well. Below that, this is where your safety ratings are going to be, and then past that, this is where the car is going to be built. Moving past that, some of these cars have this additional sticker over here. For this specific car, that's the additional cost of the roof box and roof rails. And then moving below these two window stickers, we have the lemon law and the state law right here. Lemon law is a Massachusetts law, as well as the additional documentation fee and title fee that has to be disclosed on the car as well.